who's ready for an unboxing of the products that I got as a host to be able to have for our unboxing, but because shipping didn't, the shippers didn't cooperate with their scheduling, it got here yesterday. So here we go. This is my amazing son, Josiah. He also is building his own residual income, so he has his own team that he's building, and we are going to open our unboxing. So what are we going to open first? Which box?
Oh, that's a difficult decision. We'll start with this one.
So these are the pals. These are such a guy thing. I'm not opening these. So we have the reindeer, the polar, and the, what'd you say the other was? Oh, the snowy owl.
This is all I need right here.
Yeah, that's all you need. He carries a big one in his car, and then he has a sprayer that has Thieves mixed with demineralized or demineralized alcohol, denatured alcohol, vodka. So it slides in from this way. So when you get these, it comes with the little openers, and then I'll let Josiah show you how. And then it slides in to the little holders, and then this, turn it around so they can see. You don't need to see it. You can see all you want when it's over with. And then it has a little hook so you can put it on your bags, on your backpacks, on your belt loops, on your breeches, or whatever, your pants, whatever part of the country you're from. Any place you want to hang it so that you can have it to be able to use this hand sanitizer. This stuff rocks. Not only does it take care of the bad germs and build your immune system, but it leaves your hands feeling soft and they're not yucky.
This looks interesting.
You want to guess what's in it? He doesn't know what I ordered.
No?
No. Hi. Now he knows what's in there. So this is the lip balm set. It comes in this cool little metal container, and then it actually has an extra spot, so you can actually add an extra one if you want. It comes with the vanilla mint, which is only available during the holidays. So if you like the vanilla mint, stock up. Currently this is an unlimited supply, but as soon as it is sold out, it's gone until next year. And then it has the vanilla, grapefruit, and cinnamon. Actually, grapefruit's my favorite so far.
It's vanilla mint.
Vanilla mint. What did I say?
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
You're half right.
Well, that's because we launched vanilla this year, so I'm really excited about that. Okay, so we have that and that done. Next, ooh.
Tea.
Tea. Yummy tea. This is
I
good
haven't
for
had tea
you.
in a while.
We'll do a spotlight on this so we can understand and go over what it's good for. This is the spiced turmeric herbal tea, and it comes with
Tangerine.
Tangerine vitality oil that you can put with this. It also blends well with fennel and cinnamon bark. Makes it really yummy too and really good for your digestive system. And then there's something else in this collection, and I'm surprised he hasn't ripped the box open. That's his normal MO, is we just either rip it open or cut it open.
I was getting there.
A few more seconds and it would have been.
Nice white box.
Yeah, this is a really good
Great
gift set.
decoration.
This makes great gifts.
I mean the box, not what's inside. Although what's inside's not bad either.
So this is a mug that on the morning side is the white side. That's the night, that's the end of day side. So this is the morning side. And it says, what goodness shall I infuse today? And then the dark side is the PM side, which says,
what goodness have I infused today?
so it's pretty good. So it keeps you in the serving and the giving mindset. So all of this goes together to make a really good holiday. It's a nice holiday gift set. Honestly, if you don't want the mug, send it to me. I'll take it, because these things together, if you buy just the tea and the oil, then the mug is $4 for the bundle price. Bundles are the way to go. You don't have to put it back in there, babe, because I'm going to wash this and use it for my Bible study tonight. So if you're jumping on the prayer Bible study tonight, you will see me drink it out of my mug, as long as I get it washed in time. And then last but not least is drumroll. No drumroll.
No drumroll. I don't feel like drums today. The new oil.
Vanilla. Woo!
It smells pretty good.
Somebody opened the box before today, obviously. Oh, it does smell delightful.
And Christmas spirit.
Oh, Christmas spirit's amazing. As you all know, and Christmas spirit is not just for Christmas, but catch our spotlight on this and you'll find out more about Christmas spirit and how we were able to put vanilla into an oil.
Another good looking white box.
This is also a
Great for
great gift
decorations.
set. And this is the Haven gift collection. Yes, he's a lot of joy at Christmas time too. Good thing we only give like one package a year, or one package at Christmas. So this is an artesian diffuser. This is handcrafted. Don't drop it. I mean, it is twice baked so that it's not as fragile as regular porcelain, but this is made out of porcelain, or ceramic porcelain. He's just stretching his mama. So this has the timer here. Are you going to go over this part?
Well, it's a timer and a mist button. Set it for the setting you'd like. You can go 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours.
And then it has a light that you can turn on and off. It's independent of the diffuser.
I haven't seen the light yet, sadly, so.
Well, it's because we haven't plugged it in yet. So, and then it's easy. This part comes off so you can clean it. And then the lid comes off so that you can fill the inside with your water. And then it has an electrical power cord with it. And, is that it?
That's it.
Okay, so that's what I have for now. Stay tuned. In the future, when you get your stuff, post a video, get it to your team groups, and post a video here if this page is still up. If it's not, send me a picture and send Radka a picture too so we can see. Thanks for joining us, guys. If you have any questions about the holiday stuff, the catalog will be coming up soon, projected later this week. They'll have the system all worked out. We'll get more of an update today. I am Michelle Wendt, and this is Josiah Wendt, and I am very passionate about standing the gap from where you are to where you can and want to be. Be blessed.
I got one more thing
Oh,
that
yeah.
I forgot.
What's your one more thing? Oh, you turkey.
Napkin.
Love him. Got to. He's mine.